Okay, guys, we are speaking English. Okay, you want to speak in English, and today is total funny discussion. Okay, we are talking in general discussion.
या
आज जनरल डिस्कशन होगा, हिंदी में बताता हूँ, आप बोर ना हो जाए इसलिए. एंड इन दैट डिस्कशन वी विल डिस्कस सम वर्ड्स, some sentences in English. Okay, if you want to improve your English, then see this video full. Okay, so now Nath, can you tell me one funny moment of your life, or you or happen in your life, one funny moment? Any moment you can say. Yes, you can laugh. Everyone can laugh.
funny moment. My life is very funny, sir. Life is
Your life is funny.
yes.
How you can say your life is funny? It's okay. No, everyone is laughing today, guys. English we will understand by laughing only.
Yes.
बिकॉज गाइज इफ़ यू लाफ, ओके, अगर आप हंसोगे तो आपकी उम्र बहुत बढ़ेगी, तो हंसो यार. और हंसाने वाले आजकल नहीं मिलते. रुला तो सब दे रहे, सब लोग रुलाएंगे आपको, बट हंसाएगा कोई नहीं. तो हंसो हंसो हंसो. हाँ.
Yes. There is so many fun moments in my life.
Yes, one moment tell me.
My life is so funny, sir.
Your life is so funny. Okay.
Yes.
Can I tell my funny moments? What happened in my life?
Yes.
Okay, actually, what happened when I was pursuing my degree, BCA graduation from my college, Bill Gates College from Dharashiv. Okay, that time what happened? I am in the yes. Open. So actually, what happened when I pursuing my degree in first year? Okay, BCA first year. That time, guys, I have one professor, or we can say teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, I am not exposing the name of that teacher, but what happened? That teacher tell me one not tell me, for whole classroom they ask one question. Okay, and it is basic question, and that also question I am asking to you, everyone, and also to the Navnath.
Yes.
So question is what? Navnath, you are robot?
No, sir.
You are not robot?
No.
Listen that, please.
Give me mics.
Understood? Please listen carefully, guys. You are robot. What's your answer?
No, sir. I am not a robot.
You are not robot?
Yes. Of course.
You are not robot? Yes or no? You are not robot?
Yes, sir. I am not a robot.
Yes.
Why are you asking
Are,
me like?
yes. My ma'am was asking to me, or every class, you are robot. Whole class is saying no, we are not robot. Then ma'am saying that you are not robot. Every class is saying no. Answer is right or wrong?
Yes, it's.
यू आर नॉट रोबो. आप रोबोट नहीं हो, तो क्लास बोल रही है नो.
Why?
आंसर इज रॉन्ग, राइट?
Answer is
क्लास शुड बी से क्या? यस, वी आर नॉट रोबोट.
yes.
तो क्लास सेइंग नो.
Why they are saying no?
आई डोंट नो, बट आई एम सेइंग यस, आई एम नॉट रोबोट. इसका आंसर मैंने दिया यस. आई एम नॉट रोबोट. देन
Why your madam is asking this type of questions, sir?
आई डोंट नो.
So funny. It's so funny.
Yes, that's why I'm saying funny moment. Okay, then another one funny moment I want to say, like one another teacher I have in college, and they ask me one question. Not me. They ask for a whole class. After that, they coming to me and stand up, Adinath.
Yes.
I'm stand up. Okay.
Yes.
And after that, they also ask me one question. Adinath, can you tell me the formula of this permutation and combination? Something they are teaching. Okay.
Yeah.
So, and that time, my first day in the college. That was my first day in the college.
Yes.
I'm not able to give the answer. I don't know what is going on. I don't know. And sir is saying that nothing will be happen in your life. Nothing will be happen. I am saying I am like okay, and they are saying that कुछ चीज़ नहीं होगा, nothing will be happen, will not doing anything in your life.
Yes.
But they don't know I have a YouTube channel,
Yes.
I have good job, I am earning, right? They don't know, but they are saying that you will do not doing anything. Why you are coming here? What's your father expectation? What's your mother expectation? You are like taking a stone the and
Like a stone. Yeah.
no, you are taking a stone and punching on your legs.
Your legs. Or
Yes,
Your parents' legs.
my legs only, because I am coming here college for learning and I am not able to give the answer.
Yes.
So that's why they are saying me like how are they not, and they are we can say,
Why are you coming here?
why are you coming here?
Yeah.
Like they are what we can say for apman or izzat, insult nah. They insult me very 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 very, I know now also. Okay, they insult. I in my mind. Yes, I remembered that insult in whole classroom. There is 85 students.
Yes.
85 students.
In my class, there is only like 28 students. 28. Yeah.
My class 85 students. भाई उन सब के सामने मेरी इंसल्ट की. They insult me.
Yeah.
I really feel bad, and I decided that after that, in this topic, like I have something statistics topic, in this topic I will make good study.
Yes.
And I will get good marks also. And one funny moment I will say you, I can I say you,
Yes.
that is in statistics I got
Can I tell you? Sir?
A plus grade.
Yeah.
That means in whole class only my subject is get cleared,
Yes.
all student subject get back.
Okay.
But I got cleared. And that time the reaction of my teacher, they are telling me like, you will not doing anything, you are your expectation of father you are not fulfilling.
Yes.
They are telling me that, they are saying like me, तूच करे तो तूच करे. Yes. And you are not doing anything. How you pass? You are copying na.
Yes.
You are doing copy.
You are cheating.
You are doing cheating.
Yes.
I am saying no sir, you can ask me any question. That time he asked me one question, me like tell me the formula of something. I'm not remember that formula, but I am saying that formula. That time he saying me बहुत आगे जाओगे. Yes. Tell me
What I can tell you.
your funny moment.
I don't remember. I have lots of funny moments, but I am.
But tell me funny moment in past months. In previous months.
In previous months.
Anything.
Anything. I don't remember, sir.
Yeah, what is now not? Yeah, you know, don't remember. We are speaking here English and you not remember. Okay, no problem.
I have lots of funny moments, but it's not expressible, sir. Yes.
It's not.
Yes.
Why? What is exactly that?
Press in front of audience,
Yes, audience want to listen that, buddy.
but I can't express. So my image will be damaged.
No. No anyone here know about now. How your image will damage? And this video maximum 80 to 100 people will see.
100 people are commenting.
No one commenting. I don't comment. Okay.
No.
Brother, tell frankly, because this is a global platform, you can speak.
No, my private thing, why I can share here.
I'm not saying private things, just funny moments.
Its funny moments are not expressible, sir.
What is exactly in that? Can you just give me idea when, like, the in that funny moments, this is so I can't express. Just one clue.
No. I am not expressing here.
What is this?
Can you can you tell the audience that
New topic.
we can discuss on a new topic? Yeah.
Okay, so now Nadi is saying no. In my life there is no any funny moment. There are lots of funny moments, but they are not expressive. Okay, I can't express that because it's private, right?
Not private, sir. Not private, but that are not expressible. Yeah.
That means private.
Yes. Yes. Sometimes.
That is, it's like Chakkar by Babu Bhaiya Chakkar.
No. No.
फिर which Chakkar? Okay, no problem. So Navnath is not going to tell anything. Okay, no problem. So I want to ask one question to Navnath. Navnath,
Yes. Yes.
have you ever girlfriend?
No, sir.
Pakka.
No. Yes.
Guys, what do you think? Looking this face,
There is no.
what do you think? He has any girlfriend or not?
No, sir. I am single from my childhood.
Single from childhood.
Yes.
Cut this video. I can't believe that.
No. I don't like to. What?
Opposite. Which one? What do you want to say?
I don't like that people they are in relation in.
But there is a pure love, na. But there is a pure love.
No. I don't think. I am very responsible and
Honest.
like no, not honest. What we can say?
Cheating guy.
No.
Not honest. Honest means pramanik. You not.
No. I am so responsible about my family and also so matured guy.
Okay, that's why you are not believe in the
Yes.
relationship, love,
Doing that shit.
bangad, lapda. No,
No.
guys, he is not believe in love and barabangadi.
Yes.
What do you think?
And I am also suggesting to the audience that they don't ever
Do that things.
They don't never do that things
Okay.
in your life. After being successful,
Then you can do.
you can no your parents can
Yes, parents.
parents can
By permission of parents, you can do that.
no your parents can search a girl or boy for you.
Boy or girl.
Yes, let them search.
Girl or boy.
For girls, boys, the girls. Yeah.
Okay, so explain everything, buddy. I will get confused.
Yes.
Okay, that means he is saying all responsibility. Parent will take their responsibility of your.
You can become successful. If you not become successful, how they can search a girl for you?
That's why I'm saying make the relationship.
Yes. Why?
See, if you are
What you are meaning that you don't become successful? You can
no.
marry-
If you are not being a successful man,
Yes.
what will happen? You don't gain any. You will not married.
Yes. Yes, of course, sir.
So that's why I'm saying make the relationship. Either you success, either you not success. You'll get married.
No, sir. If you want to success, then you don't need to do these things. And if,
That means you are saying these things are bad.
not bad, sir. But in early age, it's so.
I'm not saying earlier. That's the 22, 23. You are 21, right?
No. I think it's not that age. Yeah.
Okay. That is the parent will decide it. Okay. Decide.
We'll decide. Yeah.
But problem is what now? Can I tell you frankly? Now parent also saying that see one girl, love with that girl, and marry with her.
They are.
Because listen that because marriage is very, we can say, hard things
Why?
nowadays.
I don't think so.
See, brother,
Area there is.
one my friend told me he has 60 lakh rupees package,
Okay.
but he having 32 years old, and he had not any married.
But I think his his behavior is not good. He is like doing.
Nobody 60 lakh package. He's in the MNC company. He has good behavior. He has good education. Everything. But still,
Get a girlfriend or yes, I think
दैट्स वाई पेरेंट व्हाट पेरेंट्स सेइंग, भाई तू ही देख ले, तू ही कर ले उधर, हमें मत बता. दैट्स लाइक
Why parent is this saying?
सेइंग
Boy is taking 60 LPA package and why their
girls expectation is what? At the age of 26 you have your home, you should be have your car gadi
why what I'm saying, you need to become successful in
at the 26 age.
25.
Wow. At the 26 age, how?
If you are making the
Guys,
time,
this guy is saying at the 26 age we need to become successful.
if you are passing the time, then you can't able to become successful. If you want to become successful to in your life, so you need to give time.
Buddy, but problem is what? Our education culture is total bad.
Why? No, I don't think education culture is bad. Education,
See, at the age of 25, how you can become a successful, and how you have one alishan big home, how you have
I don't think it is all the like lots of money we need to have, but in at
you
the
don't
age of-
have, you
at
don't
the
need
age
to have, girl want that.
No, at the age of 25, you need to if you need one income source at least.
Only one income source.
Yeah.
But no one give you his beautiful girl, no one give you at one income source. It is not possible.
Yes, in my area there is lots of people are getting married with
Nobody, no, it's not possible. No one getting married like you have only one income source. It's not possible.
why I don't think so.
Guys, what's your opinion? Comment please.
How much income is important?
Girls want one big home, then he wants some farm, okay, like 2 acre 3 acre. He wants some package like 10 LPA per month, 1 lakh. That time he will marry you, but you don't have at the age of 25. It's not possible, because already his father also successful at the age of 50, and they expect from 25 guys.
Yes, why?
How it is possible, yaar? So that's why I want to tell you, make relationship.
But why the girls in a relationship between early age they are coming? Why? I don't. Why you can you tell me the reason?
Sorry, I can't tell that reason. How I can get the what I want to say? I can't say. Okay, guys.
No, I'm not telling. Please tell.
Okay, guys. We need to stop for today. Okay, we will meet tomorrow with this topic continue. Okay, this is very important topic. ये बात दिल्ली तक जाएगी.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, guys.